their sporting powers by participating in various events with extensive interest. And also, a throwball match was organized by the management to teachers to bring out their hidden sportive spirit to explore it. To project social awareness on tree plantation, our tree plantation program was held on 31st December. YMPS arranged program to environmental awareness regarding tree plantation by planting tree in the community by the well-known personalities of the ward. Every year, our school takes initiative in celebrating all important functions. But overall functions was Miladun Nabi function. It was specially arranged in YMPS school and was celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. Rabiul Awwal brings with its great blessing and joy for everyone. It is a month Allah Almighty sent His beloved and most praised Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to the world to guide the humanity toward ultimate truth and the path of light. A free health camp was also conducted by the management for higher class students. The school aims to provide comprehensive health care service to all the students. Nextly, the school had organized one-day picnic program for the students. From nursery to third standard, and the unit students were taken to the tribal village resort, while the students from 4th standard to 10th standard were taken to a trip to Crew. Mother's love is unconditional. To celebrate this day of love, YMPS organized a Mother's Precise Day for SLC students' mother on 19th January. The SLC students presented their dedication to their mother by doing a good deed, by taking the best blessing what can be achieved that day. It was a blessed moment of the day for SLC students. Then, literary fest was organized in the various competitions were presented like spot essay, pick and speak contest, and lastly interesting quiz for both middle and higher grades was held at the school. The school test, midterm examinations, and yearly examinations is prescribed in the manner in which the board schools are prescribed, conducting 4 monthly tests, conducting midterm exams, conducting class tests, and conducting annual exams. We conducted 5 PTA meetings, and this has been a regular affair after every round test or term exam. This is a standard part of the school efforts to build a strong partnership between parents and teachers and to ensure students' development. We organize remedial classes for below average students. And this year, we have introduced add-on classes for SLC students, which help them to learn and grow in their academic development and get prepared for their upcoming board exams. We are fortunate to have a family of nearly 40 teachers. The teachers are dedicated and hard-working, well-trained, well-experienced, and capable of fulfilling the demands of the growing modern generation of students. Apart from teaching the various core subjects, our teachers have an enthusiastic suite of teaching co-curricular activities like sports and dance. Every year, improvement over the years has become the main method for achieving the goals of YMPS. Before concluding this report, I bow my head in reverence to Almighty Lord for the blessing He showed upon this institution. I, on behalf of staff, is thankful to our Honorable Principal for valuable guidance and assistance during the entire year. For all this hard work and dedication to the students, staff and family of the school. I will also like to thank him for all the support of the YMPS and making our organization shine and allowing us to do the best that we could do and be. Finally, I can hardly tell you how blessed we are to have such a wonderful, talented and cooperative staff. Without each one of our staff members, it would be impossible for us to guide the ship of YMPS to its destination. Thank you so much, dear teachers, non-teaching and also associates of YMPS. We, as usual, take this opportunity to commit ourselves to do our best to serve the society through quality education. We seek the blessings from the Lord Almighty to help and guide us in the future in the right way. Once again, I thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's time to graduate our upper kindergarten boys. Give a huge round of applause, audience. I request our chairman, Mr. Rahim Sharif, and our principal, Mr. Arifullah Sharif, sir, to felicitate our UKG graduate boys. I request you, sir, to felicitate our UKG graduate boys. A kindergarten graduation ceremony marks an amazing and special milestone. Innocent, retained journey began and dreams waiting to be achieved. They have remained eager and enthusiastic and they have learned so much. This year has seen them grow and develop. Our young children will move into a new year with new challenges to deal with. Our thanks and appreciation to all the teachers. Audience, encourage our children. Please give a huge round of applause. Congratulations, children. Roll on, students. Congratulations, children. Thank you, boys. I request you, sir, to please be on the dais and felicitate our UKG graduate girls. Now it's time to graduate our upper kindergarten girls. I request you, sir, to felicitate our upper kindergarten graduate girls. I repeat, a kindergarten graduation ceremony marks an amazing and special milestone. Innocence, retained journey began and dreams waiting to be achieved. They have remained eager and enthusiastic, and they have learned so much. This year has seen them grow and develop. Our young children will move into a year with new challenges to deal with. Congratulations, children. Roll on, girls. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Roll on, girls. Congratulations. Parents, give a huge round of applause. Thank you, girls. I assure you that this program shall be full of excitement and will create some beautiful memories for all of us. It is rightly said, days are not lost when memories are created. Now I call upon my co-host, Mrs. Nazia Sultana.
Good evening to one and all present here. Everyone likes to be known as a good personality.
You are right. Let's watch our tiny thoughts resembling this thought through their dance performance. I'm a good girl. Let's hear it for them.
I'm a very good girl, said my old teacher, my dear brother. అన్ని మంచి హ్యాబిట్స్ ఉన్నాయంట నాలో విన్నవ మిస్టర్. I'm a very good girl, said my old teacher, my dear brother. అన్ని మంచి హ్యాబిట్స్ ఉన్నాయంట నాలో విన్నవ మిస్టర్. బ్రష్ చేసుకుంటే నేను క్లోజ్ అప్తో, నీలోసుకుంటే బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేస్తే నేను బ్రెడ్ జామ్తో, స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళిపోతే నేను యూనిఫామ్లో. I'm a good girl, I'm a good girl, I'm a good girl. పన్నీ వస్తుంది, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. పన్నీగా చూస్తుంది, ఏదో చేస్తుంది. రన్వే ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ లేకపోతే డేంజర్, చుక్క తక్కండి ఎక్కడైనా.
Good students. Darling,
What's wrong?
relax. It's our next dance performance by our Twinkling Stars